Today we're going to review the SimplyVibe SV-S350 multifunctional speaker. Basically it can play FM radio, it can play music from a micro SD card. It acts as a speaker for your iPhone device, iPad, Android device, or BlackBerry device. And it can play music right through your laptop. So let's take a look at this new speaker. So here's the front of the speaker. It has, you can see a subwoofer on each side. It has an LCD display in the middle. On the back, it has a lithium-ion battery. You can buy more of these if you need. It has some audio jacks input. Has the charger input, and then the slot for the micro SD card. On the top of the speaker, there's 5 buttons. There's a power button, rewind, forward. Also controls volume up and down, menu, and then the mode button. And I'll show you how these work. First, we're gonna take a look at the speaker and how it functions when you put a micro SD card in there. So this has some MP3s loaded in here. I'm gonna put it in the slot. Let's press it and it'll snap in. So what you have to do is change the mode, and the button is on all the way to the right. Press it once. I think that will automatically detect the SD card. So there's some songs loaded in here. It automatically starts playing. So I can turn it up. So you can see in here, it's pretty loud. The LCD displays the song name. It kind of scrolls a little bit. It has an equalizer. I think you can change some of the bass and frequency and treble and things like that. You can see there's a bit rate. Some information about what quality it is. So this is a 256 bit song, so it's pretty high quality. And it tells you what track you're on. So, and then you can change to a different song.
Do you know what's worth fighting for? Greetings, loved ones. Let's take a journey.
And you can mute it anytime. So that's how the micro SD card plays on this speaker. So I'm going to take this out and then show you the different functions. So the other cool function is that you can play songs and amplify your iPhone through a 3.5mm audio cable. So this can work on an iPad or Android device. So what you have to do is use the audio cable and plug it into your headphone jack. This cable comes with the speaker, and make sure you just press the cable into the aux jack in the back of the speaker. And the cool thing about it is you can control the music from your iPhone directly. But make sure you have to change the mode to line in. So let me change that mode back. So So I can control the volume from my iPhone. So this works on an iPad as well. So so that's the cool thing about this feature. So I'm gonna unplug this, and I'm gonna show you the FM function. So to change the FM mode, you just have to push the mode button again, and then once you're in the FM mode, you can change stations by pressing the left and right buttons or the rewind buttons. If you're getting this for the first time and you can't find any stations, the reason is because you need to auto search and find all your local stations. Speaker's not going to recognize what station you have in your area. So first thing you have to do is press the menu button, and then the first thing that's selected is the auto search function, and then you want to press the menu button again to start the auto search. This is similar to searching for cable stations on your TV. Has to do a signal search, and then once it finds all the signals, it's going to save all the stations for you. And then once it's saved, then you can basically scroll through them. So it's going to take about a couple of minutes to do if you're doing it for the first time. So once it's saved, as you can see, it's cycling through the stations that I saved: channel 4, channel 5. So, then there's a clock display as well. Basically, that's about it. And the other thing that I'm not going to show is that it can be hooked up to your laptop via this charger cable. So if you have a laptop, you can just plug this into the back, and then plug this into any USB port in your laptop, and then this acts as an audio cable too. So you don't need the 3.5mm cable. You should be able to play music via this cable, and at the same time charge the battery. And the cool thing is you can use any USB wall adapter like this one. This comes with iPhone, so you can plug it into the wall, and then it will charge all day. So you can play music straight from this wall socket. And so that concludes our review. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye bye.